Is PAWS the next 100x gem or just a flashy airdrop waiting to dump? In this video, I'm revealing everything you need to know about the upcoming PAWS token listing, from the hidden clues about the listing date, to a realistic price prediction, and the best sell or hold strategy to secure your profits. And believe me, you'll want to watch this to the end, because missing the right timing could mean losing your free money. Let's dive in. The PAWS mining airdrop has garnered massive attention across the crypto community, offering users the opportunity to earn tokens through both mining and referral activities. Initially, there were widespread rumors suggesting that the token would be listed on March 18. However, that anticipated date came and went without a launch, leading to speculation and curiosity among participants. Now, fresh hints have reignited excitement. The clues, APR 5 and 6, have sparked new theories, suggesting that the token may finally be listed between the 11th and 18th of April. With anticipation building once again, users are closely watching for any official announcement or update from the PAWS team. It has also been officially confirmed that PAWS will be a multi-chain token, launching on both the Solana and Binance Smart Chain (BSC) networks. This strategic move is a significant step forward for the project, as it greatly enhances accessibility and interoperability across different blockchain ecosystems. By leveraging the speed and low fees of Solana along with the widespread adoption and robust infrastructure of BSC, PAWS is positioning itself for broader reach and user adoption. Furthermore, going multi-chain increases the token's potential for listings on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Bybit, KuCoin, and BitGet are known to support multi-chain assets, and this dual-chain compatibility makes integration smoother and more appealing. There's even speculation that this could pave the way for a future listing on Binance, one of the largest and most influential exchanges in the crypto space. Let's take a moment to clear the hype and ground expectations in reality. There's been a lot of buzz in the community, with some people dreaming that the PAWS token could launch at a price of 50 cents or even reach $1 per token. While it's exciting to imagine such high returns, these expectations don't quite align with the token's economics or the current state of the market, especially for a new project with meme token characteristics. Here's a more realistic breakdown based on available data. The total supply of PAWS is set at 100 billion tokens. At launch, it's expected that around 57 billion tokens will be in circulation. Now, let's assume the project aims for a $100 million market cap at launch, which is already a generous estimate, considering the project is new and still building traction. With these figures in mind, a simple calculation shows that the realistic launch price per token would be approximately $0.00175. That's a far cry from the 50 cents or $1 speculation floating around. So while PAWS has strong potential and growing community support, it's important to manage expectations and make informed decisions based on the actual numbers. Let's break it down with some simple math to set realistic expectations, while still leaving room for excitement. If the PAWS team is targeting a $100 million market cap at launch, and the circulating supply is expected to be around 57 billion tokens, here's how the numbers stack up. $100 million divided by 57 billion equals $0.0017 per token. This gives us a base case listing price of approximately $0.0017, which is a reasonable and realistic figure for a new meme-style token entering the market. It's important to note that this isn't a fixed price, but rather a projection based on a generous starting market cap. But let's say things take a different turn. What if PAWS gains massive traction and goes viral like meme coin giants Bonk or Pepe? In that case, we could see the market cap soar well beyond the initial expectations. For example, if hype and community momentum push the market cap up to $1 billion, the price per token would look more like this. $1 billion divided by 57 billion equals $0.0175 per token. While this is still a long way from the speculative 50 cents or $1 price tags being thrown around, it's a massive jump from the base case, and for early adopters, it could be life-changing. If you mined early and managed to accumulate millions of PAWS tokens, even a modest price of 1 cent would translate into a significant windfall. So while it's good to keep expectations grounded, there's no harm in hoping for viral momentum. just as long as you stay informed and understand the numbers behind the dream. Here's my no BS advice for everyone looking to make the most out of the PAWS airdrop, especially if you've been mining or referring others for weeks. If PAWS lists anywhere in the range of $0.0017 to $0.005, that's already an incredible return, considering it was a completely free airdrop. Even at the lower end of that range, you're looking at real value from something that didn't cost you a dime, just time and effort. Now, let me share my personal strategy, based on what I've seen work with other similar meme token projects. If the token price spikes and reaches anywhere near $0.015 to $0.0175, I plan to sell 70% to 80% of my holdings. That's the sweet spot where the hype is high, liquidity is flowing, and there's a good chance of locking in solid profits before any potential correction. But I'm not going all in on selling. I'll hold the remaining 20% to 30% just in case the developers deliver on their roadmap and the community keeps growing. If the team manages to build real utility, secure major exchange listings, or launch new features, there could still be long-term upside. In short, secure your profits when the time is right, but keep a small stake just in case PAWS becomes the next breakout success. Projects like PAWS, especially those in the meme coin category, have a well-known pattern in the crypto space. They can skyrocket in value almost overnight, driven by hype, community momentum, and viral exposure. But just as quickly as they spike, they can come crashing down. That's the double-edged sword of investing in high-volatility assets like this. That's why it's crucial to take profits early while the price is still high and the excitement is peaking. Locking in gains during the initial surge allows you to recover your time and effort, and most importantly, gives you peace of mind. Once you've secured your earnings, you can let the rest of your tokens ride without any emotional pressure. Whether it goes up 10x more or dips back down, you've already won. Always keep an eye on Bitcoin's price trend. Bitcoin is the anchor of the entire crypto market, and its performance often sets the tone for everything else. If Bitcoin is in a bullish trend, rising steadily or breaking key resistance levels, it can create a wave of momentum that flows into altcoins and meme tokens like PAWS. In bullish markets, meme coins tend to surge harder and faster as traders look for high-risk, high-reward plays. In short, don't let hype cloud your judgment. Have a strategy, take profits early, and let the market do the rest. Let's be real for a minute, no hype, no sugarcoating. PAWS absolutely has the potential to give you a nice payday, especially if you mined early, referred consistently, and stacked up a solid amount of tokens. With strong community interest and a growing buzz around the project, it's possible that we'll see a decent pump at launch. For many, this could turn into a quick win, especially considering that the tokens were earned for free. But here's the other side of the coin. PAWS could just as easily tank shortly after launch. Meme-style tokens are known for their volatility. Prices can surge based purely on hype and momentum, but once that initial hype cools down, they can drop just as quickly. We've seen it happen time and time again with similar tokens. So if you're hoping to maximize your gains and avoid disappointment, here's the smart approach. Don't chase unrealistic targets like $1 per token on day one. It's fun to imagine, but the math just doesn't add up given the supply and market cap projections. Take profits if you see a big spike in price. Don't wait for the perfect top, it rarely happens. Securing gains early protects you from the sharp dips that often follow hype-driven launches. Only hold what you're comfortable losing. Remember, PAWS is still a meme-style token. It doesn't yet have the track record, stability, or utility of long-term blue-chip crypto projects. While there's room for potential upside, there's also risk, and the safest strategy is to treat it accordingly. Bottom line? Stay grounded, stay smart, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. How many PAWS have you mined? Are you selling at launch or holding for the moon? Smash that like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss my price tracking and post-listing review coming soon. And as always, don't just mine it, master it.